Hi everyone, this is Prithvi, Department of Computer Science in VIVEKA Degree College. Regarding our degree third semester computer science subject, we have object oriented programming and Java. Today we are discussing about fundamentals of object oriented programming. Now before that, we want to introduce about program. So now program is nothing but a set of instructions to perform a particular task on computer. So by using various programming languages, we have various programming languages. Those are structure oriented, the example for C, and object oriented C++, and Java is the example for object oriented. And next, object based programming language JavaScript and Visual Basic is the example for that. So today our topic is object oriented programming. Now what is meant by object oriented programming language, where we are using the concepts of classes and objects in a programming language we are called as object oriented programming language. Now what is meant by an object? Object is a thing that is really existed in the world. Anything we can say as an object. But suppose we have student is an object, employee is an object, bank is an object. Like we can take anything as an object. Each and every object contains some properties and it behaves some actions. Suppose we are taking student as an object, student can have roll number, name, average and so on. And student can behave some actions. Like suppose we can get data of the student, we can display the some student's data in this object. Now what is meant by a class? I already told you the combination of classes and object is nothing but object oriented programming language. Now about class. A class is nothing but a blueprint of an object. It is model for creation of object. So class is nothing but a model for creation of object. What are the properties and actions of an object we are maintaining on the class. Now about class. Now student is a class. So student can have various data and methods. Here data is what is the object's properties we are taking as a data, and methods are what are the object actions we are taking as a methods. So what is meant by a class? I already told you class is a model for creation of object. That means a structure of object, and clearly we can say a blueprint of an object. So class is nothing but a blueprint of an object. Class contains both data and methods of object. We can create one class and we can create multiple objects for one class. So suppose I have taken a student is an example for class. Student have some data, that is roll number, name, average or anything we can take of data. Now student can perform some actions, that is we can say methods. For suppose student can have get data and display are the actions, that means methods are we are maintaining a class student. So now I am creating two number of objects for student. One is S1 and another one is S2. So both S1 contains the data and methods of student, and again both contains data and methods of S2 also. The memory is separately for S1 and also S2. That is the concept of classes and object. Thank you.